Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you all that is new with iPadOS 14. A few days ago, Apple announced some new software which included the iPadOS 14. Right now it's not official, only developers can install this right now because you need a developer account to do that. The first one I'm going to be talking about is widgets. As you can see here, we have some widgets here on the home screen. I have my batteries and I have music player. iPadOS 14 widgets work differently from iOS 14 widgets. On iOS, you can put the widgets amongst your other apps. However, here in iPadOS, they are stuck on the left. So to interact with that, what you do is long press any of the app icons, and as you can see, we have our widgets there. You have this option to keep them on home screen. That's what's new. So when you do this, they'll always be on your home screen, and if you turn that off, it's going to behave how it behaves in iOS 13. So to add widgets, what you do is you long press as usual, then press up here and you can see a list of widgets. And when you select any widgets, there are new sizes, so you can choose any of the sizes and add widgets, and as you can see there, it will appear somewhere here. Another new feature under widgets also is smart stack widgets, and that is just a couple of widgets stacked on top of each other. So as you scroll, it's just going to be scrolling through a couple of widgets that have been arranged there automatically, and you get the idea. Also, you can take a widget, put it on top of another to create a stack. Now let's move to UI. When you get a call now and you have your nearby settings on, it doesn't fill the screen anymore. You just get that small pop-up there showing you that you have a call, and that's very good. Filling the screen up just because of a call, that was ridiculous. So you can always choose to keep doing whatever you're doing, or swipe it away. Siri also doesn't fill the screen, and I'll show you. Hey Siri, just get that small pop-up there. What's the time for the Arsenal match this evening?
Which league? Europa League or Premier League?
Wow, that hurts. Premier League.
Arsenal faces Southampton at 6 p.m.
That's really good to see because you can always still see your entire screen while you have Siri there in the corner. Search also doesn't fill the screen anymore. You just see it there in the middle, and it's also more intuitive now as you can search even inside applications. So if I search for Transient now, you see that's an album in my music player, and also there are some other options there. It also gives you the option to go and search online. So search is definitely more useful. By the way, check out that album Transient. Speaking of music has also gotten an update, and I'll just launch that. As you can see, the design is different now, and I'm really digging this new design, to be honest. And you see that's looking different there. And if you're that karaoke guy, you can play your song and watch your lyrics scroll through in this very big, new, fresh interface. By the way, one of my favorite songs from Eclipse and Cassie, check that out. So it's nice to see that new updates there in music. I like it. I don't have too much to complain about it, so very good. There's this new option under accessibility, and in here we'll go to sound recognition, where it recognizes a couple of sounds. I guess this is for the deaf or something. As you can see, I have it here set to car horn. I'll just try to show you guys that right now. As you can see there, it shows a sound has been recognized. Now to privacy, whenever an app accesses your camera, you will see a small green dot there showing that an app is currently using your camera. And when you come into your control center, you see the last app that used your camera, and I think that's really good. Same thing goes for microphone. Hey Siri. When Siri appears, you see that small yellow dot there, and if you come in here, you see that Siri used your mic recently. That's just really good to keep track of what's using your mic and what's using your camera. Some other small change worth mentioning: if you go into Finder, you have this option to now arrange your files to look however you want, and that can really help with productivity. So that's good to see. Apple also announced a new feature where if you're using your AirPods connected to your iPad, for instance, and you pick up your iPhone, it's going to switch the sound from your iPad to your iPhone. And I have seen that work once or twice, but it doesn't work all the time because I feel like maybe it's because my iPhone is still running iOS 13, so it's not that seamless. However, I've seen it work. Also, I like this small notification that comes out here when you connect your AirPods to your iPad. See, they're very clean. I really like that. Another new feature Apple announced has to do with the Apple Pencil, which I do not own. I feel it's too expensive, plus I don't really need one. In this new feature, you can write with your Apple Pencil on a text field and to change it to regular electronic text. I guess that will help a lot of people that take notes on their iPad and stuff. Well, I don't. I'm also going to leave in the description links to all the accessories I have on in this video, including this AirFit band and Thin Fit case. And this here I have on my AirPods Pro is the Caseology Vault smart keyboard for the 11-inch iPad Pro. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps me. If you loved it and want to see more content like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.